This is Kashi eating cantaloupe. He really likes it. Kashi, you want some cantaloupe? He really likes cantaloupe. This is the first time he's ever tried it. He's almost ate a whole piece already. Yummy! You like it? You like it? Look at his mouth. Look at his mouth. It's got a whole bunch of orange stuff on it. Good boy.